When you import studies from a shared link, Thinkorswim automatically adds the custom scripts to your ThinkScript library. Native Thinkorswim studies won't be added. They're already built into the platform. Only custom scripts get imported. You can find these imported scripts by going to the Tools menu at the top, then selecting the ThinkScript subsection. That's where all your custom scripts are stored. Here's something to be aware of. Every imported study gets the word shared added to the front of its name. So if the original study was called Traffic Light, it will now appear as Shared Traffic Light in your library. Now, if you import the same studies more than once, maybe you didn't know where to find them the first time and imported them again, Thinkorswim will create duplicates. It adds a number to the end of each duplicate study name. So you might see Shared Traffic Light, Shared Traffic Light 0, Shared Traffic Light 1, and so on. You can delete the duplicates by right-clicking on them and selecting Delete. This matters when you're adding studies to a chart. When you open the Studies menu and start typing or scrolling to find a study, they're listed alphabetically. That means all your imported studies will be grouped together under the letter S for shared instead of being filed under their actual names. If you want to clean up the shared prefix, you can rename the studies. Find the study you want to rename, right-click on it, and select Rename. Edit the name to remove shared from the front. This puts the study back in alphabetical order by its actual name, making it easier to find when you're building charts. Keep in mind, you'll need to rename them one by one. There's no bulk rename option, so if you imported a lot of studies, this will take a few minutes. But once it's done, your study library will be much easier to navigate.